Namaskar. My name is Renu Sharma. I'm a Kathak dancer and a senior disciple of Pandit Birju Maharaj. My efforts in promoting Kathak encapsulate going back to the roots of culture, in a way, nourishing them in order to help our country prosper, especially in these changing times where we need to evolve in ways that previously unknown to us. I humbly present my inputs as a Kathak dancer in Sadhana Saptah, organized by Alap, Art of Living Academy of Performing Arts. Hari Anant, Hari Katha Ananta, Kahahi Sunahi, Bahu Bidhi Sab Santa. During the period of Vanvas, Lord Ram left his footprints all over various parts of this country, in a way connecting us with the bond of bhakti. We feel as if Ram had been here, whether Chitrakoot or Rameshwaram or so many other paths. Simplifying and disseminating knowledge and spreading it in common public was the work of sages. And this is what Kathak does too. My Guru Pandit Birju Maharaj says, his ancestors belonged to Handia. They were Brahmins and they used to narrate stories of Ram and Krishna. While narrating, they would sing but also use their hands, just like I am using in gestures. And that ultimately started the form of Kathak. The common movements used were lifting the hand, just like a priest does. Maharaji has named the starting movements of Kathak as Naman, in which the hands go down, Utpatti, which is the starting and the base position of all Kathak actions. He also says, in Utpatti, this is like a lamp, a diya, and a wick inside it, and our eyes are the light. So we stand like a lamp, spread light through our eyes. That is what Kathak dancers do. Sanskrit is the language of scholars, but Tulsidas created the epic Ramayana in the local dialect in order to disseminate this knowledge of bhakti in the common people. In Kathak, we also present stories of Krishna and Rama on the proscenium stage. In fact, most of these are written by Bindadin Maharaj, a great bhakt of Krishna and the Kathak dancer, ancestor of Pandit Birju Maharaj. He has written beautiful poetry. One of them is, मेरे सुनो नाथ जैसे सबका दुख निवारा, अजामिल गणिका प्रहलाद को उबारा, जनक जानकी की सोच धनुष तोड़ डाला. In this, as you see, Ram, all avatars of Vishnu are there. Another para is, Ant kam ko na avan, nazar bahar nihara, binda ko ek Ram, tero hi sahara. I'll present a clip of this performance. It was done on the proscenium stage, but the audience is very, very close. This gives an advantage to a Kathak dancer to be able to give the expressions, and there is no need to have too much technicality of Kathak, which we do require when the audience is far away, as the expressions do not reach the person sitting in the last seat. So here I present this with the hope that the Katha Vachan tradition of Kathak will be visible. My father used to narrate the stories of Ramayana. In fact, he used to read it with us, with the explanations. And I remember he used to always show some actions so that we would be engaged in the story. Mandodari Shravanta Tanka. He would do it where the wand hits the earring of Mandodari and how it drops down. Tulsidas describes the birth of Rama in Balkand as Bhai Pragat Kripala Deen Dayala Kaushalya Hitkari Harshit Mehtari Muni Manaha Adbhut Roop Bichari Lochan Abhirama Tanu Ghanshama Nij Ayudh Bhujchari Bhushan Banmala Nayan Bisala Shobha Sindhu Karari कही दुई कर जोरी अस्तुति तोरी के विधि कराओ अनंता माया गुण ज्ञानातीत अमाना वेद पुराण भनंता करुणा सुख सागर गुण सब गुण आगर जही गा वही श्रुति संता सो मम हित लागी जन अनुरागी भयउ प्रगट श्री कंता. Another childhood memory I have is attending Sangeet sessions with my mother, where all the ladies would get together and sing songs, either in the Sawan, for Holi, for Chaiti. It could be any occasion in the year, any season, and they would just have these gatherings and enjoy themselves singing folk songs. Being a dancer, I was always told to perform. And here I was, standing there in the middle of ladies trying to perform on a folk song. Obviously, all actions used to be Kathak, and I know I thoroughly enjoyed it. And that's what takes me to the folk heartland of Uttar Pradesh. Suppose the birth of Sri Ram was to be narrated in Awadhi, how did it come across? बधैया बाजे आंगने में, मात कौशल्या लगावे डिठौना, गोदी में खेले सांवरे छोना, गोदी माँ खेले, नैना लगे छवि निहारने में, बधैया बाजे आंगने में, सकल देवता फूल झरावे, सरयू जल हहरा लहरावे, नौबत दुंदुबी बाजने में, अवध नगरिया छाई बहरिया, नाचे गावे लोग लुगैया, लुगैया इज वाइफ, लोग एंड उनकी वाइफ लुगाई, मछली नौनिया मांगने में. दिस सिंपल सेंटेंस मीन्स नौनिया इज द वाइफ ऑफ अ बार्बर. नाई बार्बर को कहते हैं और नाउन उसकी वाइफ. सो शी वॉज ऑलवेज देयर इन दीज सेरेमनीज. एंड मछली नवनिया मांगने में राम का जन्म हुआ है. शी इज डिमांडिंग हर प्रेजेंट, हर नेग एज इट इज कॉल्ड. एंड राजा दशरथ वो नेग लुटा रहे हैं क्योंकि घर में राम जन्म हुआ है. एंड दैट ब्रिंग्स मी टू द नेक्स्ट क्लिप. दिस वॉज प्रेजेंटेड लास्ट ईयर इन लखनऊ इन अंदाज़े बयां. अंदाज़े बयां, एज यू नो, means a way of saying things. And last year the chosen theme was how to present Kathak and folk dance together, folk song rather, together, and what will come out of it if it's done extempore on the stage. So here's a clip of that.
मंगल होवे
As mentioned by Dr. Purudadich yesterday, in Kathak, Katha engages the audience. There is a tendency to think, iske baad kya? What next? And the curiosity is heightened and the audience is engaged in the performance. A dancer could insert technical pieces in between, but if the dancer keeps coming back to the Katha, the audience would be engrossed and would be able to understand and enjoy most. As you know, rasa is the ultimate goal of a dancer. And to create a rasa in the public, we need to be close to them. We need to involve them in our journey as a dancer. So let's embark on this journey. Hari Anant, Hari Katha Ananta, Kahahi Sunahi Bahu Vidhi Sab Santa. And here I speak in one of the ways of displaying Ram Katha, which is through Kathak.
रघुवर संग जाब हमना अवध मारही में जो रघुवर रथ चढ़ जई है आरथ चढ़ जई है जो रघुवर रथ चढ़ जई है आरथ चढ़ जई है पैदल चली
anyone can be a sant. Anybody who goes on the path of satsang has the potential to become a sant. Similarly, all of us do abhinay in real life, and all of us have the potential to become an abhineta and a dancer. Abhinay, of 4 parts of abhinay are there: angik, vachik, ahare, and satvik. Angik is what we describe with our actions. Vachik is what we speak. Ahar is what our demeanor or our clothes portray. And satvik is what we feel internally. Every day, every action is connected to either of these. So, when I talk about Kahain Sunahi, I talk about Kathak depiction. Bahubidhi, Sab Santa. Sant, all of us are Sant. And Bahubidhi, the various ways, there's yet another way, and which is to learn yours on your own, to delve into yourself, to be focused and determined, and learn the art of appreciating art. It will take us a long way. The depth, the vastness, and the greatness of Ram Katha, and Ram Katha as depicted through art and culture, is even vaster. In these times of open learning courses, let there be no barrier to learning art. You don't have to know the complicated tala system or the details of every mudra to be able to enjoy or appreciate it. And even to learn it, why not? It's an open way. Go more into it. Enjoy, appreciate, and even dance. As the fiber optics reach the villages, let it be a two-way street. Let us learn from the roots, our culture, how it was perceived and how it is perceived even today. Let their knowledge come to us and let ours go to them. With this, let there be peace and prosperity. Let us all move forward in our endeavor to promote art and culture, the heritage of India. This is the time for greatness. This is the time to be great, to be exemplary in whatever we choose to do for the generations to come. Let there be peace and prosperity. Namaskar.